Hi superachievers, students, parents and individuals. How are you all? Do you observe or just imagine that every day the world is evolving? As a student, it is very difficult for you because you are focused on your studies, your mobile games, playing, lot of things. You are focused, your homework, no bothering about what is in or around you. But बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट, काफ़ी सारे मतलब बहुत कम स्टूडेंट है जिसको वो लोग इमेजिन करते हैं कि वर्ल्ड चेंज हो रहा है। आज बात करेंगे इंजीनियरिंग करियर के बारे में। क्योंकि वर्ल्ड में जो टॉप 1% इंजीनियर है कैसे बनते हैं उसका बारे में बात करेंगे। मैनी ऑफ यू, बहुत सारे आप स्टूडेंट, आप लोग इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन लिया है। मैं आईआईटी और एनआईटी के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ जो लोगों टायर 2 और टायर 3 इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया है, उनका बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। अगर आपने लिया है फर्स्ट ईयर तो कुछ नहीं, वैसे चला जाता है, सेकेंड ईयर भी वैसे चला जाता है, थर्ड ईयर में जब आते हैं आप सोचने लगते हैं कि वेदर आई एम गोइंग टू गेट ए जॉब और नॉट, एंड हाउ यू कैन गेट ए जॉब एंड बिकम top 1% engineer. That we are going to talk today. That I am going to tell you today, step by step process. And it is a 12 months plan, month by month, how you can build your brand, how you can build your career to become a top 1% engineer. So if you are one of them, see others also, those who are in class and 11 and 12 and thinking of a engineering career, वो लोग भी देख सकते हैं. So stay with me for maximum 12 to 13 minutes. And before going to the topic, I am welcoming you to my channel @Pratap Harichandan in the bracket Atindriyam, where we are building super achievers. And also I am building a community of super achievers. And this is possible through you only. Please share my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that I can meet millions and millions of people to build this global community of super achievers. Let's come back to our topic. How can you become top 1% engineer within 12 months of time? See, if you are in third year, this is the very critical time for you, and fourth year also you have time, but third year is the most critical one. First year, second year also you can start this step by step process, 12 months time. And this is fixed. You have to be very focused and follow this process. First one, month 1 and 2. 2 months time you have. Focus on your core engineering subjects. Like your branch may be electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science, electronics. And build a small project. I'm giving you some examples. Suppose you are in mechanical, and also remember, you can make a team of 4 or 5 from different branches, and that will be more interesting because the project will be more challenging and interesting. Suppose you are a mechanical, someone from electronics, someone from computer science, someone from electronics, you can make a team and build a drone project, or you can build a robots. This thing you can build. Suppose you are electrical and some of all team members are electrical, you can think of a low power consumption home appliances. And if you are from a computer science 4 or 5, you can think of an app, computer app, small apps you can build. And if you are from civil, you can think of eco-friendly raw materials for buildings or homes, or very cheap raw material and eco-friendly raw material. These are the some projects I am telling you. Please focus and build a small project and put this in your LinkedIn profile. If you have not built yet your LinkedIn profile, that is the first thing that you have to make. Why you know? LinkedIn nowadays is your resume. Keep it in mind. So first, build your LinkedIn profile. Within this month 1 and 2, it takes hardly 1 or 2 days. Next is third month, learn programming. Any programming language you take it, either you can learn C++, Java, Python, or any language that you are interested, learn, because future engineers must know a programming language. This is the requirement. This is the future engineering. Take 30 days challenge. Any challenge. There are challenges in online challenges. Take online challenges and put your codings in GitHub. That is a online platform where those who make codes, they put their codes over there. That is also a, what do you say, the recruiters see those GitHub online platform who are the programmers who are putting good codes, those things they also. Now, fourth month, it is your digital month. That means you must learn these future-proof skills like artificial intelligence, data science, cloud computing, IoT, Internet of Things, cyber security. If you are from computer science branch, you can learn all of this. One of them you can learn. But if you are from computer, mechanical or electrical, you can learn this IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, data science. These things also you can learn. This is the future skill. Remember these things. Take beginner's course. If your core branch is mechanical, take online beginner's course in Coursera or Udemy. These courses are very cheap, or some Google platforms these are available, or I think it is in Cisco platform also it is available. Cisco platform you can learn cybersecurity. I was going through that. You can learn there also. And we can build a small project. You can build a small project. And we see, whatever you are learning, you can utilize, execute some projects so that people know that you have learned those things. That means you are multi-skilled. Next आते हैं month 5. 5 में क्या है? Communication and leadership. This is required. है कि नहीं? आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. सी, आपका पास में आइडिया है, बट आप कम्युनिकेट करना नहीं जानते, कोई पूछेगा नहीं आपको. सो लर्न हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट, हाउ टू राइट ए ईमेल. मैं जब ज्वाइन किया था एक कंपनी में, लोगों को पता नहीं हाउ टू राइट ए ईमेल कैसे लिखना है, पता नहीं. एंड यू बिल्ड योर resume also. See, LinkedIn is also a resume. Still then you build a ATS resume. You must search about ATS resume. Then join any public speaking online platform or any course you join. And after joining, learn how to speak in front of a camera and make a video, put it in your LinkedIn profile or in social media, wherever you can put it. Remember, engineers who can communicate ideas become leaders. It is proven. It is not written that somebody has written this. It is simply they have not written. It is proven. अभी आते हैं month 6, internship and freelance project. Internship and freelance project. अप्लाई कर सकते हैं आप इंटर्नशिप एंड फ्रीलांस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. इन लिंक्डइन में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इंटर्नशाला भी है. And also take small project work or any freelance work in your Fiverr or Upwork. वहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं and you can earn for a 500 rupees. You can draw a, what do we say? You can make a code for someone else, or you can make a logo for someone else, isn't it? Take some work and show your ability, your capabilities, whatever you have learned, and document your journey. Everything you have to document, whatever steps you are taking. Next आते हैं month 7, advanced digital skill. जो भी डिजिटल स्किल्स में बताया month 4 में, जैसे AI हो गया, डेटा साइंस हो गया, साइबर सिक्योरिटी हो गया, नॉट साइबर सिक्योरिटी हो गया, देन IoT हो गया, then it is your any small projects that you have done. You have to advance those skills. Any skill, go deeper and make yourself a little bit expertise in those things. Take certification courses, get certified yourself from AWS or Azure, Microsoft Azure. Build a medium live projects or something, you make it. Every month you have to build something to show up yourself. Next आते हैं month 8. 8 में क्या होगा? It is business and entrepreneurship. See, technology, only knowing technology nowadays, nobody asks you. Technology meets business. Learn basics of finance, marketing, and product management. these basic things you must know. What are these? Your finance, your marketing, and your product management. Finance, marketing, and product management. Study success stories. Those who are successful persons, learn from them how they have executed their career. Draft a simple startup idea. कुछ ना कुछ तो आप आइडिया आप चार्ट जीपीटी भी यूज कर सकते हैं. फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट आइडिया. Engineers who mastermind the business lead a company. Only technology, if you know only technology, you are not going to become a leader, or you cannot lead a company. You must know what is business. Month 9, problem solving skills. That means how creative you are. Suppose a large program, big problem came to you. How you broke down those big problem into small problems and sorted it out. Or take simple any problem you are facing in your life, how you are solving those, document it. Then it is a month 10, networking and personal brand. Already you have made your LinkedIn profile, so you are building brand also side by side. So start networking with your like-minded people. Suppose you are in a mechanical branch and want to build a career in robotics. So join robotics forums are there, online platforms are there, and whoever person is a robotic expert, network with them, ask questions, like their contents, comment in their contents, because connection and visibility is required in LinkedIn. Optimize first, then you have to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Connect with 50 people every day. Start connecting with 50 people. Try. It is possible. If they are not responding, at least 10 people will respond, isn't it? Share updates about your programs. Whatever you do, document and put it on that platform. And what happens, this builds credibility of yourself. Next आते हैं month 11, leadership skills that you can learn with your personal personal decisions, how you take decisions, how you execute some work in home also, with your friends also, in colleges also. Take leadership projects also, lead a team of people and execute a project. That also you have to learn leadership skills. Last month, the final month, it is all about building your crown jewel. Prepare mock tests or mock interviews and share your 12-month journey. Preparation, no? Once you are in third year, I think third year the campus come for the campus interviews starts. So you must be ready. That means I think you should start from year 2. Second year you should start this 12-month project. And if you can follow this 12-month plan, actually you are build a super brand. You become a super brand. Believe it or not. See, a lot of things are happening in these 12 months. You have to be very sincere and focused. If you can do this, I don't know where you will be. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you need any help, please message me so that we can make another video or I can help you out. All the love, all the power.